How do you know that God is speaking to you and that you are not deceived by your own desires? Karina Boyer asked from Holland.
Who?
Karina Boyer from Holland.
Who is he? Is he a Turkish man?
No. A question from Holland.
We attended one of the question answer in Holland. The question was not able to be answered.
That's right. I understand. You see, when somebody speaks to you, how do you know that it is he who is speaking to you? If you know the person and know his habits and his style, then you will immediately recognize God is presented by the Holy Quran with all his attributes. So if the person who is speaking to you seems to possess those attributes, is Alimul Ghaib wa Shahada. He speaks about things which are present and which are not present. And he is Al-Haq if he is proved right by the events to follow. So because the Holy Quran presents Allah with all his attributes, so he is a known person to you. If his speech when he addresses you confirms to those attributes, then it's Allah who is speaking. If it concerns to the attributes which are given about Satan, then such revelations are satanic revelations. So, a true man who knows the Quranic teaching, who loves the Holy Quran and God, can immediately recognize the voice of God because it will be true to how he is defined in the Quran. If his question is generally about other people as well, who are not Muslims, for instance, as to how they would judge, it is very simple for them to judge because the concept of God is universally good. So if somebody is interested in knowing whether some revelation is from God or not, obviously he is a believer in God. Whatever the name of a religion, he has to be a believer. And the revelations from God always carry their proof within themselves. Because it's a possibility that human psyche may have thrown up some suppressed thoughts. And one may think that this is revelation, this is possible. But such wishful thinking is done only by psychic people. And the doctor and everybody else knows. So whether they believe it or not, it's immaterial. The whole world will know that they are psychic. And if he really wants to judge himself, he should judge it by the contents of the revelation. If it has a positive proof that the revelation was made by somebody who knew things which he himself did not know and which got fulfilled later on, then definitely he can be satisfied. He should be satisfied that this revelation was from Allah. Otherwise, just a raving doesn't mean anything.